Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to safely format your laptop or PC. My friend, the first thing you need to do is to back up your files so that you are losing nothing. After that, my friend, you can now come to the start menu and click on settings. Then under settings, you will click on update and security. And then, my friend, you will click on recovery. Then under reset this PC, you will click on get started. Then here you can choose between these two options, that you keep your files, that is you remove all apps and settings, but you keep your personal files. The second option is you remove everything, and my friend, here you are removing personal files, apps and settings. If you want to completely remove everything, my friend, click on the second option and give it a few moments to load. And after that has loaded, my friend, you can now choose between these two options. You can only format the drive where Windows is installed, or you can format all drives. For me, I'll click on all drives because I don't want to keep anything. And here, do you want to clean the drives too? So just remove my files or remove files and clean my drive. So I'll click on the second option so that I clean absolutely everything. And you might have different reasons why you are resetting your computer. For me, it is because it has a lot of apps and it is loading so slow. So that is the reason why I want to clean my computer and at least save some space and start afresh. So the computer is ready to reset, and you are being told that resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and any changes made to the settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. So my friend, the good thing of this is that it is not going to remove the OS. You will still have your Windows installed, and my friend, that is the best thing about this very method. If I hit on this reset, my friend, it is going to remove everything, but then all you need to do here is to just click on reset and you are set. My friend, I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, feel very free to book that like button. You can also subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.